shop. I'm gonna ring my bell. Kimbuksak! Turn your volume up. Listen to this. Oh. May music pa yan. After 30 minutes of bike, what's next? Rest while waiting for the sunset.
Meditate.
Kita pa naman sa camera.
Pero yung sun mismo nagtago na sa mountain. Parang one building apart lang yun. Pero ano, hindi nakikita yung sunset dito.